participatory socialization. It is the process facilitated by social interactions in which non-group members learn to take on the values that they aspire to join and to ease their entry into the group once they have been accepted by it competently once they have been accepted by it.
Stand up. My question is, what will be your dream job in the future? I think they sit down.
Kapag-decide ka na ba anong kurso ang kukunin mo?
Hindi pa eh, ikaw?
Ako nakapag-decide na. Siguro mag-IT lang siguro ako. Kasi may experience niya kung paano gamitin ang computer. Salamat. Ikaw rin.
Good morning class. Today we will start with your very first business practice for today. So now open your computers.